Welcome back, guys. We received an order from Portwest, and I was having mic issues, so I recorded the video already with no audio. So I'm remaking the video, so stuff's already open, I was already wearing stuff, but I'll go over again. So here are safety glasses that they sent me, industrial grade. Very nice, because N.R.T is an industrial grade person. Always in shop ruining clothes and stuff. And then they asked me if I needed gloves, and I told them sure, they could send me some gloves. So I asked for only one pair, but they sent me 10 or 12 of them, so that's good. And then they asked if I wanted to do a review on their come on, I'll just get this on. These are a pair of coveralls that they sent me. So for all the haters out there that says, you need to get yourself coveralls, or you need to be more careful when you're welding. Here you go, you're happy now. And then this is a pair of their hiking boots. And you may ask, well, do I hike? Well, not really. But I have a weld. And when I saw these, I'm like, those are probably the perfect welding boot. Oh, they're steel-toed. Yeah, they're steel-toed. Those are steel-toed. So we're not messing around. When N.R.T gets a boot that has a steel toe in it, you know we're serious. So that's going to be great for welding. Hopefully we get no sparks in the damn shoes anymore or down my leg. You know the situation if you've been around welding. And they're sending me 2 more pairs of boots. One pair I'm going to receive, I think they said November, January, and then the other pair I think is on the way right now, with also a pair of pants that they want me to do a review on. So huge shout out to Portwest for sending me all this stuff out, and I look forward to working with them. And we're going to see how well their products hold up, and I'll be posting everything. So hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, leave a like. I'll catch you guys on the next one, and go check out Portwest's website. There will be a link in the description or comments to Portwest's website. They're from Ireland, I believe. So yeah.